Okay, in this video, we're going to be looking at dividing with decimals, and specifically when we have a decimal in the dividend. Okay, so the dividend is the number that we're dividing. So our dividend in this problem is 36 and 75 hundredths. So that's our number that goes inside of our division box. And then our divisor goes on the outside. In this case, it's 25. So when we have a decimal in the dividend and not one in the divisor, we are just going to divide like we normally would. But the one difference is that this decimal point is going to come up into our quotient. And that's why it's extremely important that we line everything up so that the place values end up in the correct places. Okay, so how many times is 25 going to 3? 0. How many times is 25 going to 36? Once. I subtract 25. 36 minus 25 is 11. Okay, and that makes sense, right? If we look at where our 1 is and then our decimal point, 25 goes into 36 once, and then our decimal point comes. So the rest is going to be a fraction of a whole. So we bring down the 7. 25 goes into 117 4 times. And 25 times 4 is 100, so that's what I subtract from here. I do 117 minus 100, which is 17. And then I bring down my 5. And 25 goes into 175 7 times. And that is exactly 175 when we multiply 25 times 7. So I end up with a remainder of 0. So my answer is 1 and 47 hundredths, which if we think about it, we were taking a number that was between 36 and 37, dividing it by 25. And so 25 can go into 36 once, and then we're going to have some left over, and we have that as a decimal number. So our answer is 1 and 47 hundredths.